Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. What if I told you there's a vacuum that's about to change the way you clean your car forever, and it's ridiculously small? Introducing the SakerPlus 4-in-1 handheld car vacuum cleaner, a powerhouse that's so portable you can take it with you wherever you go. This thing is a game changer, and thousands of customers who've already made the switch can't stop raving about it, making it one of the most well-reviewed products out there. One of the standout features of the SakerPlus is its rechargeable battery, which gives you the freedom to clean your car without being tethered to a power outlet. The soft grip handle feels great in your hand, and the smooth hum of the motor is surprisingly quiet, making it easy to use without disturbing anyone. When you turn it on, the LED lights illuminate the darkest corners of your car, revealing dirt and dust you never knew was there, and the suction power is strong enough to pick up even the toughest debris with a satisfying whoosh. I've used the SakerPlus to clean my car seats, floor mats, and even the tight spaces between the console and the seats, and it's performed flawlessly every time. The fact that it's handheld makes it so much easier to maneuver than traditional vacuums, and the crevices tool is perfect for getting into tight spaces. Whether you're a road tripper, a parent, or just someone who loves a clean car, the SakerPlus is a must-have. It's the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal, and once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. So why not give it a shot? Your car will thank you. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.